Hi everyone.
Happy Sunday from Sicily, dear Sicily lovers!
How are you guys? Happy Sunday. This is a beautiful sunny Sunday here in
Beautiful!
Sicily.
It
So
seems spring, not winter.
it's spring. It's about how many days? 20 days to spring, but just like spring because it's very mild climate today. Uh, we've been enjoying a lot of beautiful days in the last 10, 15 days. We had only beautiful sunny days, but let's talk about the place where we are now.
So, first of all, I want to say that we are fine. Sorry for our missing, but we are working very hard. Today we decide to take a little break
Yeah.
and enjoy our lunch outside and enjoy this beautiful walking tour with you along the sea.
So we are now in Sferracavallo. Sferracavallo is a very popular fishing village in Sicily. We are just a few miles far from Palermo, the capital of Sicily. As you can see behind us, you can see a mountain named Capogallo, Monte Gallo. It's a mountain that divides the city of Palermo from the coastline to Trapani, and now we are in Sferracavallo. It's a very nice village. It has a feature,
Yeah.
Rosella. Many people here in Sicily come to Sferracavallo to enjoy fish
Yes.
and seafood.
Yeah.
There are a lot of restaurants. Now we'll show you many restaurants. They give you a fixed menu, so you pay. It's not expensive.
No.
You pay about 27, 28 euros, about $30, but you have a very big lunch.
A lot of things to eat and
Many starters.
an endless lunch, we can say.
Just like I can say the all you can eat formula, but they give you about 8 different starters, 4 different main courses. It's of course pasta with fish, and different second courses. So, and then of course wine, dessert. But it's very funny because also people like me are not able
To finish the
finish
lunch.
the lunch because they give you a lot of food.
Yeah.
So now let's explore Sferracavallo. It's a sunny day. As you can see, it's very crowded today because people are enjoying this beautiful climate. The sea is very calm, and what else?
And people want to enjoy their Sunday, and so a lot of people are enjoying lunch outside, overlooking the sea.
Let's go,
Let's
Rosella.
go.
And while we go, we talk. Now we wear the mask because we want to respect the rules. The situation in Sicily is very good. We are in the level 2, in the rank of the, I just say, the virus of the pandemic. And level 2 is one of the lowest. But I don't know why they are talking on a possible future general lockdown again in Italy, because in some regions the situation is not so good as in Sicily. But this is another chapter.
And we
Let's
don't want to think about the virus today.
Yeah.
We want to gift you this beautiful landscape and seascape. And so, please switch.
Let's start showing Sferracavallo area.
lo tengo io.
As you can see, the sea is very calm and very clear, very pristine. Andiamo.
Anzi c'è questa compagnia a cavalcare. Ma quando c'è te ci dico va via da
Oh, Gianca, this is so crowded today. Look over there.
Yeah, there are a lot of people. I didn't expect it. People are enjoying the day, the sunny day.
You can see over there the restaurants with the seat outside.
Yeah, people are enjoying their lunch. Fai vedere il menu fisso. So, this is what I was mentioning. The fixed menu, in this case, is 25 euros. And they give a lot of fish. Fish and seafood. To enjoy yourself to the fullest. Right?
Of course.
Vieni, andiamo di qua.
And the water is so pristine, so clear.
Some people are enjoying windsurf. Rosella, let's reach the boats, the fishing
Yes.
boats.
Lo puoi dire che l'alga ha il significato che è pulita? Cosa pensi?
Forse dobbiamo prendere da là.
No, no. Ah, no. So they can eat enjoying the sea view.
I have to say something about the patron saints of Sferracavallo. They are Cosmo and Damiano, the patron saints of this village, this fishing village.
Gianca, inquadra il signore che pulisce
Oh, this is wonderful. Rosella, thank you, Rosella, for tell me, for alert me. This man is cleaning the sea urchins, i ricci di mare.
Siamo
Buongiorno.
in diretta in America, in Canada, in Australia. Vuole fare un saluto ai nostri amici?
Dove sei? A New York?
Sì.
Io c'ho un grandissimo amico mio a New York,
Ah.
Giovanni Piritello.
He
Faccia un
says
bel
he's
saluto.
got a friend in New York named Giovanni Piritello.
Giovanni.
Vuole salutarla Giovanni che magari
Ciao,
la vede?
Giovanni, ciao, auguroni.
Allora,
Ci
che
può
sta
fare vedere
facendo?
come pulisce due ricci in diretta, così tutti
Sì,
guardano.
sì, guarda come si
Let's discover, dear Sicily Lovers, how this guy cleans
come si
the
puliscono.
sea urchins. Wow, they are full of eggs. Sono pieni di uova. Aspetti che facciamo vedere pure quanto ce ne sono qua dentro. Oh, the box is full of sea urchins.
Già stanno terminando.
Pieni di ricci.
E con chi sta pasta veni troppo bella?
So we have to reveal a secret. The most delicious dish in the area of Palermo is the pasta with sea
E
urchins.
pure Barone, New York.
Stavo
Barone.
dicendo che la pasta più buona da queste parti è la pasta chirrizzi. So pasta with ricci, pasta with sea urchins is the most delicious, the yummiest, I don't know if it's correct, pasta ever. I love it.
Grazie.
Facciamo vedere i ricci di nuovo. And I want to add, it's
Saluto a
one of...
tutti quelli che mi conoscono.
Un saluto, grazie,
Ciao.
grazie. Lei come si chiama?
Agostino.
Il signor Agostino, so Mr. Agostino from Sferracavallo, say hello to his friends around the world. Buongiorno, buon lavoro.
Arrivederci. Andiamo alle barchette. ci
Aspetta, che
sediamo?
voglio dire una cosa. So guys, the pasta with sea urchins, Rosella, please help me because this is not my field, is one of the easiest pasta ever.
Yeah.
It's very easy to make because it's I just say just like the pasta aglio, olio e peperoncino,
Yes, of course there are
garlic,
many recipes.
oil and red pepper. This is the base of the pasta, and then you put at the end of the cooking
Yeah.
the sea urchins, the eggs from sea urchins above the pasta.
Only at the end to
Only at the end because it's very delicate. It's very, how do you say, you risk to damage these eggs.
And the
Eggs are
taste is
very
so
very
delicate.
Yeah, and just a little mix, and you can enjoy one of the best pasta ever. I remember when I was a child. My father forced me to eat sea urchins. And I said, no, Daddy, no, I don't want to do it because I don't like. Try, he said. No, I don't like. Actually, the taste, it's very uncommon. It's very difficult to explain. But when I grew up, I understood the pleasure of enjoying sea urchins, in particular with pasta. My father used to eat sea urchins only with bread, as the most of the people in Sicily. So you pick the sea urchin from the sea, and you cut it, you break it, and you enjoy it, just like this guy is doing.
you can test the sea.
Yeah,
Just
you can taste
sea.
the sea. You're right. But with pasta is different. I think it's another story.
Maybe we can enjoy this dish for lunch, the junk.
I hope so because I didn't expect so much people today, so it's very hard to find the table. Perhaps we should reserve a table before it's too late. Anyway, would you like to?
Let's move to the boat
Yeah, let's
to
go.
show you the typical Sicilian fishing boat,
Yeah.
hand painted,
Yeah.
and they are very amazing.
And perhaps we have to read some comments because
Yeah.
there are many people writing now, so
Yeah.
it's better to involve our friends. I'm pretty sure there are friends watching us who have a Sicilian origin from Sferracavallo. So it's right to give them the opportunity to say something about their ancestral town. Let's go, Rosella.
Let's go. Amoni.
Metto la maschera.
Esatto.
Amoni è lo volete dire un saluto agli amici nel mondo.
Un saluto a tutti da Palermo,
Da
da Sferracavallo. Un saluto a tutto il mondo.
Che state bevendo? What are you drinking?
Vino, wine.
White wine.
Lei è canadese, tra l'altro.
Ah!
Noi siamo in diretta in Canada, Australia e Stati
Lei
Uniti.
è canadese.
No,
So
lo
this is a
sai
big
lui.
surprise. She's Canadian. What's your name?
My name is Laura.
Aspetta, mettiti vicino a lei perché sennò non si sente il microfono.
Sì,
Avvicinati,
sì.
tanto sei con la maschera.
Hi everyone, my name is Laura and I'm Canadian.
So nice to meet you. And are you here because of the love? Because of the...
I actually decided to move to Italy in summer 2019. So it was a dream of mine for a very long time. So I decided to move here. I found work in Palermo and then I met my now boyfriend and I decided to stay. And I'm very happy.
Would you like to say hello to your friends in Canada?
Hi to all my friends and family who I miss very, very much in Montreal.
Oh, in Montreal.
Okay, we have a lot of friends in Montreal that every time follow us. Do you have a Sicilian origin? Why you decide to move to Sicily at the beginning? Why Sicily?
So actually my grandparents are from, I have my maternal grandparents from Salerno, provincia di Salerno, and my paternal grandparents are from Abruzzo. So I don't have any ties to Sicily. It was just the place where I ended up, and I didn't actually plan to stay. I said, you know what, I'll probably leave being mother tongue English. I'll find work in Milan or in Rome. And then in the end, I found work here, and I love the city, so I decided to stay.
But at the end you found love, so that's the most important
I found
thing.
love, I found work. So,
Amazing.
yeah.
So we say in bocca al lupo. We hope your life is beautiful. So enjoy your life. Thank you for this interview because a lot of people from Canada are following us, and so I'm so happy. It's a big surprise. E adesso finiamo. Let's end this speech with something in Sicilian. Finiamo in siciliano. Diciamo qualche cosa in siciliano perché già...
Qualche cosa in siciliano possiamo dire, ragazzi.
Avvicina il microfono.
In bocca al lupo a tutti. In bocca al lupo a tutti.
Però chi sta italiano? In siciliano.
In siciliano.
Ci aspettiamo qua in Sicilia. Vi aspettiamo.
Vi aspettiamo qua in Sicilia.
Ora ci sei.
Ora va
ci
bene.
siamo,
Ora va
ci
meglio.
siamo.
Tu di dove sei?
Io sono Palermo, sono di Palermo.
Bello palermitano.
Id è
Sì,
palermitano.
io sono palermitano doc.
Pure uno altro, pure uno altro.
Sì, di Palermo. Io Piazza Calza.
Ah, benissimo. So Calza is one of the most
palermitano
popular
Avusa,
districts
va.
in Palermo.
Avusa.
He's from the Calza Square, one of the most interesting part in Palermo because of the beautiful churches, because
Centro storico proprio di
the
Palermo.
outdoor markets, beautiful people because the people in the historic center of Palermo are beautiful.
Piazza Marina,
Piazza
Ballarò,
Marina,
Capo.
Ballarò. So
Politeamo.
he's inviting to visit Palermo.
Yes.
And
Keep it going forever.
so this is our hope. We look forward this pandemic, this crazy situation will be over soon to have the opportunity to hug all people. And so thank you so much,
Enjoy
guys.
your Sunday.
Thank you.
See you in the next days. La pagina, se la vuoi seguire, si chiama Best Things to Do in Sicily.
Best
Because
things
you...
to do in Sicily. Perfetto.
Yeah. Ciao ragazzi, ciao. Ciao. Allora, andiamo alle barche.
What a surprise!
Yeah, this is a beautiful surprise.
Yeah.
Andiamo. Vai. Rosella, are
As
you
you
surprised?
can see, Sferracavallo is full of restaurants. There are many restaurants than houses.
Yeah.
That's why it's.
Can you reveal a secret, our secret?
We have a lot of secrets, Gianca. Which one?
I met you here in Sferracavallo.
Oh, this is a big secret, a big secret. We never saw this to our friends. Yes, Sferracavallo is the place where Gianca and I meet the first time.
Let's go this way. Allora, I'm trying to find a good position. Oh, perhaps this is best. This is the best.
Questi siamo contro luce dall'altro lato.
So this is a small fishing boat, un gozzetto, a small gozzo. Gozzo is the name for the picturesque Sicilian boat. Handmade and painted.
Handcraft.
This is not so picturesque, but it's a traditional Sicilian boat. As you can see, this is the small harbor, the small harbor of Sferracavallo. So look at that, guys.
Can you zoom, Gianca?
Yeah, I'm trying to do it.
I think it is in trouble.
I think it's very hard to surf, to do windsurf, because it's we have no wind today.
Have you ever tried, Gianca?
I tried, but it's not my job, not my field,
For me,
not my game.
it's impossible because, as you know, I'm afraid of swimming in the high water.
Where are you, Rosella?
I'm here. And so this is unbelievable for me. Gianca, would you like to come with me and so
Yeah.
we can check some comments, say hello to our beautiful family of Sicily Lovers.
Sediamoci, in ginocchio.
Guys, how are you? We are fine. We are really fine. Sorry for our missing, but we are spending a lot of days working. We are working on our new website dedicated to all Sicily lovers around the world. And it's an hard job because our mission is so big, and so we are involving a lot of artisans, and we never end. This is the truth.
So you're talking about our Sicily Lover project. We are going fast ahead, but it's so difficult because there are many artists, many artisans in Sicily who deserve to be involved, to be included in our project. So it seems it's a endless project, but we are very close to the goal. In the meantime, we are working on our next Sicily Lover tour. We had to postpone it to September, from June to September, when everything should be better. This is our hope.
Yeah, from 9 to 19 September.
Yeah.
So take note, save the dates, and if you want to check the itinerary and if you want to check the schedule, you can visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and check for
it's also useful if you want to have an idea of a good sample of a good itinerary to visit Sicily in 10 days. We have included the best of Sicily, not forgetting the time for leisure. So I think it's a good compromise, a good balance with beautiful locations, amazing activities with locals.
Terrific food and wine experiences, of
sure.
course, because Sicily deserve this at least 10 days. 10
Yeah.
days is the minimum time frame to enjoy the
Sorry.
most beautiful locations. And so we have a lot of things to do.
So let's read the comments. Rosella, please. I find my, sorry, I look for my glasses.
Do you have your glasses or? Oh wow! You didn't forgot them.
Andiamo al mare, più vicino al mare, dai. In the meantime, I reach the sea. I want to be closer to the sea. Dove ci mettiamo? Ci mettiamo lì? Vediamo se riusciamo a non cadere. Ok,
Ready to stop?
ci mettiamo seduti, se ce la facciamo, se no non cadiamo.
Try to do your best.
Ok,
Così siamo contro luce però.
I'm trying to not fall down. No, la posso tenere io se vuoi. Che stai facendo?
Mi sto mettendo qua.
E perché?
Perché siamo contro luce lì.
Ah, you're right. Però non si vede il mare.
Sì, da me si vede. Come no?
Ok. Devo venire, ho
So.
capito.
Wow, a lot of comments.
Guarda i miei occhiali.
Ginny Papa Gardner, happy Sunday, look beautiful in Sicily. Ciao Lena, hello from England. Sherry, ciao Sherry. Our fingers are crossed. We never give up and we wait for you in Sicily here in August to celebrate the biggest festival dedicated to Santa Lucia.
My glasses fell down into the water.
Gianca is so baby sometimes.
Tu che fai con questo coso in mano?
Could you please?
Ah,
Okay.
guarda, hai perso qua.
So, ciao Tony Provenzano from Canada. Ciao Lori. Ciao Matteo. Ciao Michele. Ciao Terry Russo. We love you from the tiny fishing village of Catlan, Cape Cod in the USA. Sorry, I don't know this village where it's located.
Perhaps you need the glasses?
No, I see Jack.
Let me see the other comments. There are a lot of comments.
Cheetah.
What is the temperature? It's about
Toronto.
20 Celsius degrees. I don't know in Fahrenheit. No, not hot, of course, but not cold neither. So I think it's a good temperature
Yeah.
to enjoy a beautiful location like this.
An outside location.
Time to eat fish, Delfino. I can wait to be able to come to Sicily. Delfino is one of the most popular restaurants here in Sferracavallo. It's a very, very nice and popular restaurant.
Ciao Giovanni, ciao Michael, Mary. Love Sicily, even if my roots are from Lazio. However, I was born in Toronto. Thank you to be a Sicily lover.
Thank
It doesn't
you,
matter
Mary.
if you are, if you was born. Sorry.
We're born.
We're born in Sicily or not. The most important thing is that you love Sicily. Ciao Michelle. Ciao Matteo.
Ciao Matteo.
Terry.
Terry Palmisano from Gloucester. Gloucester. Yeah.
Andy, Beverly, Joanne, Katie Di Stefano. Cita Matteo, wow, at least everyone having a great time and enjoying themselves. Yeah, life is one, and so you need to enjoy the life to the fullest. Please, guys, be positive, be strong, never give up, fight for your dreams.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Only positive vibes. Ciao Gini.
Oh, they're watching
Mustafa.
us from Libya.
Wow, we are.
Ciao Mustafa, you're the first follower from Libya. Thank
Yeah.
you for following us.
Ciao Shita. Josie, beautiful. So Loredana, Gini, Anthony Fennel, ciao.
Ciao Anthony, how are you? How are you doing today? Oh,
Lucy Lucena, good morning everyone. Have a beautiful day from New Jersey. We have a lot of friends in New Jersey as well. Gayane, ciao from New York.
from Michigan too?
From Michigan too?
Yeah, I had to postpone my trip to Sicily to next year. We did it the same. We had a beautiful trip on June. Many other trips with our clients, not only individual tours but also group tours, and we had to postpone them to September to October, and so we are looking forward to the day when the borders will be open again.
Our big bottle of wine is ready, is waiting for us, and I promise you, I'm going to be
Sorry,
drunk.
Rosella, my legs hurt me. I am an old man, and I need to sit. Oh, guys, I'm old. Oh, now I'm more comfortable. So we are postponing our appointments, our trips, in particular to fall 2021, when we hope everything will be better. So as Rosella said, for example, we are working now to our Sicily Lovers tour will be in September. Next September, 9 to 19. And
10 days of happiness with Gianca and me. If you don't want Gianca, only me.
I will do the Gianca's tour. If you vote for Gianca, you come with me. If you vote for Rosella, so we make two different separate tours. Let's go ahead, Rosella. I have to read the other comments. Marjorie, Beverly, yeah, do it for me.
Linda, Sicily is so beautiful. You are right.
David.
Showtime in Sicily, which so it's 3 p.m.
3 p.m. 10 minutes to 3 p.m. So it's very late, also for Sicilian people to have a lunch. Usually we have lunch at 1:30, 2 p.m. But today
we are very late.
We don't mind. We are enjoying a beautiful sunny day, so this is the most important thing. That's what
we
I
care.
say.
We care the most.
Yeah. Let's go ahead.
David, buongiorno from Pennsylvania. Oh, also in Pennsylvania we have a lot of Sicily lovers. Ciao from Laura.
Let me say hello to Marianne and John Rubino if they're watching.
Of course.
Ray from Boston. Ciao Ray. Terry.
Grace.
Are you allowing Americans to fly in there now? No, not
yet.
Not yet. They were talking about a small group of Americans in June, but we don't know yet if it's fake news or something real. Actually, we don't know. This is our hope. In the next weeks, we know that Prime Minister Mr. Draghi wants to deliver vaccines to the majority of the Italian population. So we think this could be a first step to to host people, foreign people. This is our hope. We don't know now what is happening because they only talk about the healthy situation and not about traveling. But we hope in the next weeks the situation will be better. And they let you travel to Sicily again. This is our dream.
That's why also we are postpone our virtual cooking class and Sicily Lovers meeting. We hope in late March or April. We are working on it. It's also a little bit hard, but we don't miss this opportunity.
So let's go ahead. Let's read other comments. Peter Confalone, good morning.
Miami Beach, wow.
You're lucky.
Ginny Papa from Boston.
Ciao Ginny again. Whose birthday in August? I can't see the... Oh, Terry.
So my husband's birthday in
August.
Perfecto.
So we have to celebrate all together. Michael Anthony, what's the temperature again? It's about 20 Celsius degrees. It's a very good temperature. Hello to all people in Iowa. Who's the Cristi Chiaramonte. Ciao Cristi.
Oh,
Cristi Carlisle. I didn't. Oh, you changed your name. Yeah, we just read your email. Tonight you sent an email. We will be very happy to help you. Don't worry. We will find a way to help you. Let's go ahead. There are many comments. Ella from Boston. It's 37 degrees Fahrenheit degrees. I think Boston is a little bit colder than Sicily. Ciao, Mark. Gayen Salvaggio Puleo. It's 30s in New York, in the 30s. Yeah.
John Mercurio, Uncle John.
Ciao, John.
We love you.
Good morning from Sicily. How are you, John? Guys, so there are many people. Angela Liuzzo, Matteo again. Matteo is from Capaci. Matteo's mother is from Capaci, and Capaci is just the other side, so back that hill. I think it's about no more than 3 or 4 miles, so very close to Sferracavallo, the place where we are now.
It's a little bit windy. Could you please write in the comments if our microphones work?
Yeah. Thank you, Sita. Matteo Moulet. This is the second time they're watching us.
Thank you for watching us.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello to all people in
Teresa Marie in Philadelphia.
Yeah, I can't see because I have the light in front of me. Sorry, guys.
And then we have David. My roots are from Palermo and Santo Stefano di Camastra. Oh, we made 2 beautiful live broadcasts, one from Palermo and one from Santo Stefano di Camastra. So if you missed them, you can check on our YouTube channel named Best Things to Do in Sicily.
Let me add, David gives us the opportunity to talk about our Sicily Lover project again. Santo Stefano di Camastra is the town of pottery, one of the towns of pottery in Sicily. After Caltagirone, Sciacca, Burgio, we have Santo Stefano di Camastra, many other, such as Alcamo, there are Monreale, but Santo Stefano di Camastra is one of the most important places in Sicily dedicated to the production of potteries, of ceramics. So, David, if you didn't do it, please watch one of the last broadcasts. You can also see the video on our YouTube channel. That's easier. It's completely dedicated to the pottery from Santo Stefano di Camastra. And Santo Stefano di Camastra, of course, Santo Stefano di Camastra pottery will be included in our Sicily Lover project.
Can we say, Gianca, we have shoot more than 120 pieces, different pieces.
100?
Yes,
I think
more,
it's more.
more
I-
than 100.
Personally, I made about 500 shoots, 500 photos in the laboratory of ceramic in Santo Stefano di Camastra. We have plates, cups, Moorish heads, trinacria. We had
Heart.
a lot of items, and so this is the reason why we are missing, because I have a lot of job. We are editing all videos because we wanna tell the story behind the item. So I mean,
The story of
we don't
the
wanna,
artisans.
yeah,
also.
we don't wanna sell the item. We wanna, first of all, we wanna tell the story behind the item. So the story of people involved in the production, in the making of these beautiful objects, products. And so the story of the family, the story of the art, why they started this art, this job, and
Yeah.
a lot of stories connected to this beautiful experience.
And also, please, Gianca, let me thank again Frank Ragusa, because he's correcting our text, and so it's an hard job also for him. It's an angel. He is an angel, we can say.
But also Anthony.
Also Anthony.
Frank and Anthony Ragusa are our angels. Yeah, I think it's the best, the correct word. They are angels for us because we will be lost without them. They are doing a great job, and so now we are involving them more and more because we are in the last steps of the project. We are just close to the goal to publish the new website with the several items, handmade and painted items from Sicily.
The most important features are two. All the items are 10% made in Sicily.
Yeah.
And the second one is that everything is handmade.
Yeah.
So there are the two most.
And there is a certificate of origin.
Yeah.
So this is not only a word just
Yeah.
to say, oh, it's made in Sicily. No, you have a certificate because we are working very hard with the custom managers,
Yeah.
because they don't accept products without certificates.
Without
If-
origin certificate.
if we want to export, if we want to sell those objects, those products overseas and all around the world, we have to provide origin certificates. So it's all true. Everything is made in Sicily. We are filming also the the production, so you can see the evidences of
Yeah.
of the production of what Rosella is saying, and so it's more than e-commerce. We are trying to preserve the ancient handicrafts. They are disappearing. We are talking about not only pottery or jewelry. We are talking about the crochet. We are talking about the bobbin lace. So ancient
Traditions.
works,
Yeah.
ancient traditions that are disappearing because they are time-consuming. Nobody wanna do it because new generation wanna do other things. They don't wanna spend their time on these beautiful arts because they
Yeah.
are arts.
Yeah. And
And-
each piece is unique.
Yeah.
No two items
Are alike.
Are alike.
So don't expect an industrial production. Don't expect copies. Everything is different. Everything is made only for you.
Yeah.
And so this is why we are missing. This is why we don't. We are not in the channel, in Facebook channel every day, because we are working hard on this project. We believe in this project. We believe in Sicily. We believe in our traditions. We believe in those people. They deserve to survive because, as you know, pandemic hit Sicilian economy very, very, very hard. But also they do something special, and they have no chance to export, to sell their products all around the world. So we are trying to do our best to give a little help,
Yeah.
and so step by step we will we will reach the goal. I don't know in English it's correct. We will do it.
And so we will bring Sicily to you.
Let's check other comments. Oh guys, you are too much. Do it for me please, because I covered the camera with my finger.
Oh, we have another invite to Ginny. Come back and Zoom on my show. Yes, of course, we are ready.
Jeannie Papa Gardner, we love you. It's a great opportunity for all Sicilians to talk about Sicily. And so, thank you so much.
Cheetah, we love you both. Gianca and Rosella, love your live. Thank you, Cheetah or Sita, I don't know.
Sita.
Sita. Christy, we love to see your smiling face. Yes, we
Only good vibes.
Yes. Keep on smiling every time. Wow, from Rose. Rose, thank you. I love Palermo. My dad is
My dad's
my
roots.
dad's roots are from
Are from
Palermo.
Palermo.
I've been there so many times. I have my aunts, uncles, cousins still there. I love watching your live cast. Bring back so many beautiful.
Oh, it's a
Too
long
long.
message.
Whoa.
What are you doing, Rosella?
Beautiful memories. Thank you, and we thank you. Mary from Detroit.
Ciao, Mary. Mary Antonine. Mary? Sorry, I don't see.
My family is from Terracini and Cinisi, and we are very close. We also made a live broadcast from Terracini, so you can check. We never been to Cinisi. Maybe we can plan a
Sure.
live broadcast
Sure.
there.
No, we've been there. We've been there in the beach of Magaggiari.
Yes, you are right.
We had some troubles with people from Terracini because we said we are in Terracini. Actually, the beach of Magaggiari belongs to the area of Cinisi. So if you're watching us and you are from Terracini, please forgive us. That time we were in the area of Cinisi, even if it's closer to Terracini. A beautiful beach.
Rose from
Westerly, USA. Oh, also from
London.
London. Who's writing? Dora. Dora Mixi. Ciao, Dora. Hello to all English people watching us.
Also from Malta, Marianne
Wow.
from Malta.
Ciao.
And San Filippo, the beautiful San Filippo's family. Miss
Picciotti.
cooking with you. Guys, we know we received a lot of messages. Everybody miss cooking with us, but we will come back soon. Don't worry.
It was hard to be with our how do you say, chef teachers because of the lockdown. So because of the masks, it's it's an hard job. But we hope in the next weeks, in the month of April, we will start again to make those culinary appointments, right?
Yes.
And
because
please, Anne, say hello to all the San Filippos, the beautiful family. It's a very, very a huge tribe. How do you say? Tribu?
Yes.
Tribe? It's a big, big family. Very funny.
I know because people miss so much the virtual cooking class, because this is not a simple cooking class, but this is a Sicily Lovers meeting,
Yeah.
a place where all Sicily lovers can meet and establish new beautiful relationship.
Michael De Carlo asked an important question. What is the current status of the tourism industry in Sicily?
Destroyed. We have not the tourism industry anymore.
You know, we are involved in first person in the tourism industry. I only say our last customer, our last clients
Was
Alisa Spatafora last February.
Yeah.
So it's about 12 months that we are doing nothing because the borders are closed. So we only work with Americans, Canadians, Australians, some people from North Europe, but it's a mess. We don't work with Italian people, only with the, how do you say, pharmaceutical companies. Rosella plants organizes
medical conferences.
medical conferences,
But,
but also conferences are stopped
Yes.
by the lockdown, by the pandemic. The only people who work with Italian groups made a few business just in last July or August when the situation was a little bit better. But now everyone is in a big
Yes,
trouble.
also because the moving between regions are forbidden.
Yeah, we
And
are not
so-
allowed to move from Sicily to Calabria, for example, to Sardinia, to Rome, to Venice. We are not allowed to travel inside Italy. That's the situation. It's a very hard situation. So our tourism industry is falling down. Is in a big trouble. So we hope the situation will be better soon. And
And our Sicily Lovers tour, we hope will be the opening of the new life for
Yeah.
us. Oh, Mary Litsopoulos!
Ciao Mary!
Morning from Canada. Miss you guys in Sicily.
Ciao.
We can wait to hug you again here in Sicily. Margaret, greetings from Dover,
Ohio.
Ohio.
Ciao Margaret. Gambino, casa per la vita. Ciao. Ciao guys. Janice Dolce, Frank Ancona. Ciao guys. Tina Martin. Ciao ciao. Ciao ciao. CIAO. Oh guys. So we have a lot of comments. Katie O'Brien, sounds great. Thank you, Katie. Terry Russo. I have a grandfather from Naples. Naples is one of our favorite towns, cities in Italy. You know, Naples and Sicily. We are talking about the kingdom of two Sicilies when the Campania, the region of Naples, and other southern regions belong to the same kingdom, and Sicily was included, of course, the kingdom of two Sicilies. So there is a big connection between Naples and Palermo and all Sicilian towns.
That's why we have a lot of things in common.
Yeah. Thank you for your feedback, Christy. Thank you. We bought new microphones. So we are growing up.
Maybe I don't need the microphone because I scream every time.
If you wanna Rosella speaking lower, please write in the comments.
But I'm Rosella, I speak higher.
Ciao Mary Colucci, good morning to you from New York. Oh guys. So Ray Bazzano, Mount Etna volcano.
So
let's talk
about Mount Etna and what we have also in Palermo.
So it's incredible, guys. As you know, Mount Etna is in full activity. It made some explosions in the last 10 days. The situation is under control, of course, because the volcano is huge. Also, the villages on the slopes of the volcano are safe so far because there is a big distance from the craters and the villages. But we have to say that Mount Etna produced a big smoke. I remember a few days ago, someone wrote in a comment, I don't remember in which live broadcast or in YouTube, I don't remember. He asked, is there a possibility that the smoke from Mount Etna will reach you in Palermo? And I said, no, this is not possible. This is science fiction. It's not possible. And now, guys, it's unbelievable. We have the dust from Mount Etna here in West Sicily, in Palermo. So about 150 miles distant, and the smoke, the dust, the black volcanic dust reached us. It's incredible. And so Mount Etna is still working. It's one of the most active volcanoes in the world. We are planning to go there. We wanna show you the activity. In the next days, we are planning to meet our partners involved in the Sicily Lover project. A lady who paints beautiful Sicilian cards. Another lady who makes beautiful Sicilian crochets. And so it will be the opportunity to show you Mount Etna working. So in the meantime, please don't worry about us. It's normal. Even if I have to say, frankly speaking, that Mount Etna is having a stronger activity than the average. You know?
Yeah.
It's seven different big explosions in the last 10 days. This is not usual. We are under the level of the safety so far, but I have to be honest with you. Scientists are monitoring, are watching to Mount Etna. Because the situation isn't somehow unusual, okay? So we have to think about Mount Etna too.
And Mother Nature.
Not only the pandemic, also Mount Etna. But we wanna be positive. We wanna be optimistic. We wanna share our happiness with you, and so. We are under the sky, as our ancestors say. Siamo tutti sotto questo cielo. We are all under the sky, so we have no power, we have no
control.
We are not in the possibility to control the events, the
Mother Nature.
Yeah.
So let's be positive.
Yeah. Yeah. Rosella, please help me. Scrolling the
Joanne from
comments.
Buffalo, New York. Ciao Joanne, famiglia from Bagheria.
You sound like you're sitting here. Wayland 2.8 degrees.
Whoa.
Wow, guys. So you're colder. Jeannie, you're colder than
in
us.
Boston.
Angelina Mangan, origins from Santa Caterina, Villahermosa, in the province of Enna. Beautiful. We have to go there. We've never been there. We have to go there. We promise you. Then we have Janice Dolce, Anthony again, Nina Litzol, Elle from North Carolina. My grandparents were born in Alcamo. We have to go to Alcamo very soon. As you know, we have three partners involved in the Sicily Lover project. I can say the names. They are very active partners. We have Daniela, first of all. Daniela,
the queen of the crochet, we can say.
The queen of the crochet. Daniela is gifting us wonderful masterpieces of crochet. She makes usually, but she's making for us beautiful cloths for babies, for adults. We have a lot of things.
Also bags for women.
Also, do you remember the Sicilian coffa? She makes the Sicilian coffa with cotton, with wool, merino wool. Everything is handmade, of course,
and
with organic cotton.
This is important. Organic cotton and organic wool.
So no dangers for your health. Then we have Caterina. Caterina makes wonderful pottery.
Yes.
Then we have
Ionella.
She's a painter. She paints the saints. She paints also ceramic for Daniela and for Caterina. So we are trying to
A beautiful mix of three beautiful ladies.
it's a synergy, you know. Synergy is a combination of different arts in the same project. They are making beautiful clothes and beautiful accessories such as bags with the help of ceramic and painted ceramic and crochet in the same item. Stay tuned. This is another surprise. So let's. Matteo, my father's roots is a small village. Cattolica Eraclea!
Oh, Cattolica Eraclea!
So we've been there thanks to Frank and Anthony Ragusa.
You have to watch our live broadcast. Our video on
please,
YouTube.
please, Matteo, please look at our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
It's also named Best Thing to Do in Sicily. You can see one of the most popular videos ever.
Yeah.
How do you say? It has about 4,000 visualization.
Yeah.
So for
View,
YouTube
view.
views. Sorry. So look at our YouTube channel and see not only the video dedicated to Cattolica Eraclea, but also the video dedicated to Eraclea Minoa, the beautiful white beach and the white cliff of Eraclea Minoa, very, very close to Cattolica Eraclea. Enjoy it. Ray writes Palermo street food,
We have to
of
plan
course,
a
so we have to
beautiful
go there.
day,
We have to go
to
there.
the market, to the outdoor
We have to
market.
spend an entire day in Palermo enjoying this street food.
Yeah, again, yes.
We did it, but we have to do again. Rosella, are you rearing carretti wheels? Yeah.
Yeah.
Show the wheels.
Made with wool.
Yeah, they are wooden
painted.
wheels and painted wooden wheels, but other partners are working on the pottery wheels and painted pottery carretto wheels, the Sicilian cart wheels. And very soon you will be able to have those items at your house. Guys, you're too much. Castellammare del Golfo, Frank. Yeah, we have to go to Castellammare in the next weeks.
To meet a chef,
Perhaps
to plan
it will
a cooking show.
It will be our next appointment, a culinary appointment with a chef in Castellammare del Golfo. Frank lives in New York City. Ciao Stanley. Ah no, Ray Bazzano, Stanley Tucci searching for Italy. Stanley Tucci. I remember this name. My father from Cattolica Eraclea. Oh, guys. Ciao from Detroit. We are from Terrasini and Cinisi. My uncle Pietro Mangiapane owns the tire shop in Cinisi and Terrasini.
Wow!
Ah, I know him! Il negozio di gomme.
Wow!
I know him. It's very popular in Terrasini. It's incredible. Yeah, because we live in the area of Carini, but Cinisi and Terrasini are very, very close to our house. Oh, guys. Rosella, aiutami. Please help me.
Roseanne! The
Ciao!
Gonzalez family!
Ciao, Roseanne.
Josie, we love Sicily. My parents and husband's family are from Agrigento. We are living in Toronto. Steve and Sheila sending love from Omaha, Nebraska.
Ciao Sheila, ciao Steve. Mwah.
What are you having for lunch today? So we skipped the lunch, to be honest.
No, because we are dedicating on you. We are focusing on you, and so no, don't say this word. We are not skipping nothing.
But we can combine the dinner and the lunch in one meal.
I wanna taste. I wanna try the pasta with sea urchins. This is my mission today.
Yes,
so
but
no matter if it's too late.
Uh-huh.
As you can see, there are again. I want to show you again because look at that. There are many people. Many people. So it's like people don't want to get back home.
I want to go there because I want to enjoy my lunch overlooking the sea.
So the restaurants are still crowded. So this is the Sferracavallo promenade, again, for those who didn't see the live broadcast from the beginning. And we are sitting on the rocks of the little harbor of Sferracavallo. And look at that, guys. Il mare è calmo, everything is cold. We have a little bit of wind. Those are the fishing boats. And we are here sitting on the rock. Can you see it? Oh, guys. So, Rosella, please go very fast ahead because my arm hurts
Vincent
me.
Ingrando, hello from Sarasota, Florida.
Ciao, Vincent.
Ciao, Vincent.
Ciao, how are you?
Frank Ancona, thanks for telling a story of Sicily that not Sicilians can understand. Is something other than mafia. You are right.
Frank, this is a whole story, a stereotype. Actually, mafia exists. Mafia is not as people talk about in the movies. Mafia changed skin. We have mafia in the government. We have mafia in the parliament.
But not only in Sicily, in Italy, in the world.
As the
everywhere.
rest of the world, because you know there is the Chinese mafia, the American mafia, the African mafia. Everyone's got the same story. So Sicilian mafia is a stereotype. If you think about the Godfather, forget it. It doesn't exist anymore. Perhaps it had, you say, actual. It was more than a story, but it doesn't exist anymore. Mafia now, mafia men have the degree at economical universities. They talk about of money. They talk about many important businesses than the criminality, the little criminality. So thank you for understanding that we are doing something for promoting the best of Sicily. Sicily is not only
another image
mafia.
of Sicily. But one thing is true. Sicilian women are dangerous.
Sicilian women are more dangerous than mafia men. Be careful, guys. I mean, men, be careful. But I think many men got married with Sicilian women, so they already know.
Janice Dolce, we also wait for the open of our borders.
Yeah.
Roseanne, I enjoy your cooking class so much, can't wait for the next one. We know. Oh.
Hai cambiato, hai switchato, come hai fatto? Non lo so.
Ooh, a lot of comments.
A lot of comments. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Rose. Philip from New York.
Sveta.
Sveta.
Sima Ku
Oh,
Wait,
Sora.
Simakurice. Where are you from, Sveta? I think it's like Georgia, perhaps, but not Georgia
Maybe.
in the USA, Georgia near Russia.
Guerrienne, my grandfather is from Acquasanta. Grandmother, sorry.
Oh, from Palermo.
Yes.
So Acquasanta. Acquasanta is a district in Palermo. Another fishing village, another fishing district.
Cali.
Oh.
Hello from
I think it's Cali. The original surname is Cali. Rose, you're from Brisbane, Australia, so in the Queensland, one of the best areas of Australia. My father was from Giarre and my mother is from Lingua Glossa. So Giarre and Lingua Glossa are beautiful. In particular, I love Lingua Glossa.
on the slopes of Mount
Giarre
Etna.
is in the coastline. Lingua Glossa is on the slopes of Mount Etna. We have a lot of beautiful wineries there. We are in partnership with them. We used to bring our clients to Lingua Glossa to enjoy a very pleasant walking tour on Mount Etna and then to enjoy the wine from the volcano. Excellent.
Etna wine. Mwah.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Ross, for watching. Joseph Arco from Rockford, Illinois. Ciao, Joseph. Gloria Rizzuto dal Canada. Oh, many people are watching today. It's incredible.
Tom! Ciao, Tom!
Where is Tom?
Tom!
Oh, I missed it. Tom, good morning. And again, happy birthday. Good morning, good morning. Oh, guys, if Mount Etna forces you to leave, you can take a boat to my fishing village in Chatham, Massachusetts to stay. Thank you so much.
You are so sweet.
So it's so beautiful to have such a beautiful people watching us.
Tom from Palm Springs.
Palm Springs.
Bravo, bravo, Tom.
Meglio, it's the best Tom. Ray Bazzano, we are in Osterwil Cape Cod. We are from Val Guarnera, Philip Arcuria. Val Guarnera, another very small village in the heartland of Sicily, in the province of Caltanissetta as well. We have to go there. We have to visit a lot of places. It's unbelievable. There are many people connected today. Frank, will you ever talk about the Sicilian language as part of the arts? Sure. Sicilian language is more than a dialect, you know. Sicilian language is so important. We have a great heritage, in particular in the 1300. Sicilian language was challenging versus the Tuscanian language to be the official Italian language. Tuscanian won thanks to Dante Alighieri, but the Sicilian language has a great heritage, and in particular now you can see the evidences in the art of the Sicilian cards. You know, storytellers, I cantastorie.
Yeah.
Sicilian storytellers used to tell story using beautiful images, beautiful paintings. And if you see a Sicilian card, it's a sort of encyclopedia, a sort of book where people used to tell the most beautiful Sicilian stories. So, but what else?
But also Sicilian language is made of not verbal communication.
Yeah, it's an important part.
During the lockdown, we made a beautiful live broadcast dedicated to non-verbal communication.
I think we should do it again.
Yeah.
Rosella is mentioning a beautiful episode. We were at home. We didn't know what to do, and we spent a night. It was just like a contest, a funny contest. We've been talking about all the several possibility to use the non-verbal communication. So I mean the Sicilian gesture that makes more than 100 words. So if you wanna recover this video, it's very, very funny. But we have to do it again.
Yes.
Better
Better.
this time. We have how different is their dialect?
Each town, in each
I don't know.
town, we can find
Perhaps
a different dialect.
Perhaps she means the Tuscanian dialect. I don't know. So I don't know. What are you saying? Sicilian language now is composed by several
Dialects.
forms,
Yeah.
versions of Sicilian. There are different pronunciations, different words, in particular from the west to the east. But if I speak Sicilian, I am from Palermo, from the west side. If I speak Sicilian in Catania or in Messina or in Syracuse, they understand me because it's the same dialect. Something changes, some, how do you say,
Ci
acoustic.
sono parole che canciano completamente. Per esempio, io che sogno di Kakamo e io che di Palermo, certe volte a mia, quando parlo in siciliano non mi capisci. Allora ci a spiegare cose, arrere. E noi ci può gesticolare assai, mi piace assai gesticolare, fare, dire, chi e chi.
So this is the evidence of the dialect from Kakamo. Kakamo is not distant from Cefalù, not so distant from Palermo. But even it's not distant, we use different words. We have a different pronunciation. The pronunciation is even wider, even different from Catania's area, from Syracuse area. In particular, I love the sound of Catania's dialect. It's so soundy, so musical.
Yeah.
For example, we say, compare, amagira mare. It means, my friend, let's go to the sea. And they say, compare, amagira mare. It's completely different. So again, compare, amagira mare. And they say, compare, amagira mare. They sing. They don't speak. They sing. This is just a little evidence. But if you mean the difference between Sicilian and Tuscanian language,
Completely different.
it's completely different. Tuscanian language is very, very close to the official Italian language. Because, as I said, it was a competition. It was a challenge between two different linguistic schools, and they won. So their dialect became the official language. So it didn't move, it didn't transform to another thing. It was just the official language. They have just a few words different from the Italian, just like slang, but Tuscanian is the closest dialect to Italian. Nothing to compare to dialect from Venice, from Turin, from Milan, from Naples, from Apulia. Oh, one of the funniest is the dialect from Sardinia. It's a completely different language because it has roots in the Catalan, the Spanish, not the Castellano, the Spanish, the traditional Spanish, the Catalan language, and so completely different from the Sicilian and the Napolitan that have roots in the traditional Spanish.
Ancora a parlare, che hai appetito, mi sta facendo mangiare oggi. Chi sta mia oggi mi fa mangiare? Carusi, picciotti.
She's hungry.
Ah.
Hungry and
Hai
hungry.
appetito.
Also hungry, but particular hungry because she's missing the lunch because of me. I'm the guilty one.
Io sono
But,
unica, però ma mangia spisa.
But in the meantime, I am enjoying the sun. And so I don't mind. I don't mind the lunch. This is the most important thing. The sun is kissing me, and I don't need anything else.
Oh, I can give you a kiss also.
Another kiss. Two kisses are better than one.
One from
Kiss
the
from
sun.
the sun and kiss from Rosella. I'm so lucky.
Oh, you know.
So, if Mount Etna forces you to leave,
You
no,
guys can both.
Anthony writes, if Mountain Etna forces you leave, you guys can both visit me.
Okay, we are.
I hope, Anthony, we don't visit you because of Mount Etna. We want to visit you a part of Mount Etna because
Yeah.
we don't want to. We don't want to Mount Etna makes damages. This is the most important thing. Out of the jokes, we wanna be safe because we have a huge presence in Sicily. You know, Mount Etna gives us the fertility, a fruitful soil, great citrus fruit, beautiful
The blood
a
oranges.
beautiful landscape. The skyline of Mount Etna is beautiful. The possibility to make wonderful excursions, but also Mount Etna represents a danger. We can't hide this situation. So we hope Mount Etna stay calm for the rest of the years, for the rest of our lives. Let's talk about something else. Guys, you're writing too much.
Ciao Betty, my family is from Vita Trapani.
Vita, we've been there thanks to Bill Favara.
Yeah.
Vita is near Salemi, a small village. Our clients, Mr. Bill Favara, is from Salemi, Vita, and Marsala. So we've been there.
Donna neighbors.
Ciao Dana! Good morning! Ciao! Oh guys! Oh, Fran Ravetto, good morning from Wisconsin. I love your videos. I would love to see a show of Sant'Elia where my father was from. First of all, let me say hello to all friends in Wisconsin. In particular, I got a friend in Madison, Mr. Alessandro Monachello, but he doesn't know what we are doing. I have strange friends all around the world. He comes from Palermo. He's a friend of mine from the childhood, but he don't know that we have one of the biggest community of Sicily lovers in the world. So if you see Mr. Alessandro Monachello, he works for a restaurant named Papavero in Madison. Please, how do you say? Push
him to watch us.
No, ma Ghiracciaricchi. Beat him. This is the sense. Oh, guys. Gianca and Rosella will watch your YouTube channel, definitely. Thank you for sharing. Grazie a tutti.
Yes, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel named Best Things to Do in Sicily.
Because it's easier for you to see, to watch all our videos. Because, you know, Facebook is good, it's very good. But we made a lot of videos. So there are hundreds of videos. So if you want to check, if you want to find a particular video, it's very hard. In YouTube, on our YouTube channel, it's easier. So you can...
Also, they can visit our website because we have a page dedicated to our playlist on YouTube.
Yeah. It's also even better. It's even better. You go to our website.
Best things
to do in Sicily.com. You help us to
grow up
on Google.
Yeah.
Because we wanna be in the first position in Google, thanks of you, and that's the starting point.
So right now, visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com to push our website on the first page of Google.
The sky, push up to the sky. Oh, guys. How many?
Eleonora.
Oh, Stanley Tucci
also.
is a very famous Italian actor. That's why I remember that name. Thank you, Terry. I'm so bad. I have a bad memory, but I remember that name. Yeah, Stanley Tucci. Ciao Eleonora. Mwah. Ciao, buongiorno. Siamo sempre attivi. We are always working on our dreams. Never give up.
Most
This is our
active
mission.
than Mount Etna.
More active.
More active. More. Sorry.
Renee, La Bella, Wilkis, be safe. Hope this virus goes away. I'm from Florida. We hope so. Renee, this is our common hope. Thank you, Donna. Silvana Ginua. Oh, ciao from Toronto. Most population of Italian immigrants. We know. We've been talking about the Sicilian immigration to Canada many times, in particular to Toronto.
And Montreal.
Montreal and Toronto, but I think Toronto is the biggest community ever all around the world of Sicilians. I'm, if I'm not wrong. Sheila and Steve are Eleonora's friends, perhaps.
Because maybe I think they are from Omaha, the person from Omaha.
Yeah.
That's why.
Sheila and Steve from Omaha, Nebraska. So, Donna, Anna Maria San Filippo wrote, we hope to see you in September. We hope to. Will be amazing. Mary Francisco, my grandparents are from Montalbano and Palermo. Wow.
Montalbano, we also made a beautiful live broadcast from Montalbano, so you can check it.
Check it. We can reveal another secret. We went to Montalbano e Licona last fall. Was summer? I don't remember exactly. I said, okay, I wanna spend the most peaceful night of my life, because Montalbano,
it's so quiet,
so picturesque, and no cars, no people disturb you, and you can enjoy your sleep. 5 o'clock in the morning, two young guys with a motorcycle and a small car. I don't know why, guys. They were crossing the town. They crossed the town many times, just above our window, and with the klaxon, with the noise of their old engines, a lot of noise. So I said, "No, this is incredible." Neither in Palermo I had such a bad experience in the night. It's incredible. But I remember Montalbano e Licona is one of the best villages in Sicily. Was named as the Borgo dei Borghi, so the best historical village in Italy, not only in Sicily. And if you go there, you don't have to miss the opportunity to visit the Argimusco Nature Reserve. So beautiful, so magical place.
And you can also see watch the video that you.
Yeah, I made a video with my drone on YouTube. You can see the video in 4K resolution, so the top resolution to see the beautiful stones of the Argimusco Nature Reserve. Terry Russo, I'm sure you'll eat a delicious big dinner to make up skipping lunch. This is not true, because I didn't lose the hope to skip lunch anymore. So now when I close the live broadcast, I go straight to the restaurant because I wanna enjoy my pasta chirrizzi. A pasta chirrizzi. Pasta with sea urchins in English. Pasta chirrizzi. Philip Arcuria. My cousin Salvatore owns the Gregory factory in Val Guarnera, making suits and shirts. Oh, this is new information for us.
Yeah.
We have to meet them.
Yeah.
So remember this information. Val Guarnera, Gregory, they make suits and shirts. Thank you, Philip. So useful. Grace, Dewey, ciao, beautiful place. Tom, ciao again. Anthony, Ray Bazzano. Wow, and a lot of connections. So Ray has cousin in Syracuse. They have bed and breakfast. Oh, say something, Rosella. I'm scrolling the comments. There are a lot of comments.
Too many comments. Francis Badalamenti, ciao Francis.
Ciao, Francis.
Everybody missing us. Thank you for your love. You are a beautiful family for us.
Silvana jokes. She lost my glasses. Oh, guys. This is incredible. I never expected to be presbyter. How do you say presbyter? I don't know in English. So when you are not able to see things very close to your eyes.
Però quando ne esci da buttare gli occhiali chi di buoni, chi di che ti regalaio io,
You're
no
right.
chi devi stare a casa.
You're right. She says I have to wear the red glasses because red is our color, the official color. From the times of Round Trip Consulting, our first company, we had the red logo. Then we create another website, Best Things to Do in Sicily. The main color is blue. But now we are again with red. Show the logo. What are you doing? Are you sleeping? I have to switch because it's reverse. Guys, what do you think about this beautiful lady? I mean the lady on the right.
With 3 beautiful legs.
So we have 2 beautiful ladies. Rosella is also beautiful, but we are proud of this ancient symbol. We had to, how do you say, reinvent, to make it again, to include the symbol into the art. Because actually the traditional symbol has the different position. Legs have different positions, so we have to reinvent the symbol. We are so proud of the Sicily Lover logo. It represents more than you can imagine, more than you can think.
And our love for Sicily, above all.
Our love for Sicily, first of all, but the
community,
the community,
the family.
the sense of family, the sense of community is unbelievable. And you give us evidence of your love, of your pride for your Sicilian origin every time, every day. So
Yeah.
more than a logo, more than a project. This
Yeah.
is a...
When the virus hit us, we go on only thanks to your love, to your power, to your positive vibes.
Yeah.
Please help me to say what I want to say.
No, you
Because
were
my English is so
almost,
bad.
almost right. When the virus hit us,
Yeah.
we went on, we went ahead.
Yes.
Okay.
Every day we do everything thinking of you.
We are skipping our lunch.
You are the guilty guys.
No, don't listen to Rosella. She's joking. We are enjoying a beautiful day, and that's priceless. So the sea is even more calmer.
Yeah.
Calm. I don't know in English is correct.
Switch again.
I love this boat. I love that boat. This is not the lake, guys. This is the entrance of the Gulf of Sferracavallo. We are in the fishing village of Sferracavallo. And as you can see, everything is so calm. Okay. Guys, do you have any questions? Do you have any desires? Do you want us to be involved in something special, in something particular in the next days? If you have any requests, please write in the comment, and we will try to do our best to satisfy you. I'm trying to. Anthony Fennell says all Italian women aren't dangerous. Anthony, perhaps you have met only non-Sicilian, non-Italian women. I don't know. I'm in danger, Anthony. I need a bodyguard. Oh, that's the first person. Rose Argano. My family is from Sferracavallo.
Wow, beautiful. Enjoy your hometown.
Argano is not a typical name, but I remember my uncle's friend named Totò Argano. I'm talking about many years ago. Silvana, thank you. You are beautiful, not Rosella and I. From Woodbridge, Canada. Thank you, Silvana. Oh, guys. Kenneth Carnesi, thank you for these videos. Beautiful. Have a wonderful Sunday. You too. Mwah. Anthony is 75% Italian. That's why. Perhaps the other 25% let him talk in this way. Anthony, you're in the wrong side. Trust me, Italian girls are dangerous. Joseph Arco, my families are from Roccamena and Lentini. Wow. We went to Lentini 10 days ago. Yeah. I don't understand and speak Sicilian. I cannot speak Cimiri's Italian pastry shop. Gloria Rizzuto, you are in a very beautiful village. Spero di essere lì presto. And we look forward to meet you in person, Gloria.
And say hello to your sister.
Francis Badalamenti, need to see Maria's cooking. Also your mother, we miss them. I'm trying to involve my mother to make some caponata. That's my mother's masterpiece. I try. I have to convince them. I don't want to push them. I don't want to push her. I wanna make her comfortable because my mother is so shy, and so the risk is she makes a bad caponata, and this is what I don't wanna happen. La mia famiglia non vede l'ora che arrivi la diretta da Enna. Tom, you are right. It will be our first step, our first stop when we go
to the
other side of Sicily. For sure, we have to stop to Enna to give you evidence of your ancestral town. For sure. Rose loves the Sicilian dialects. Viva la Sicilia! You're right. So, guys, Francis says, all my 5 daughters speak and write in Italian, mostly Sicilian. That's great. Well done. Congratulations, Francis. So you are preserving the Sicilian heritage, and that's the most important thing.
Thanks for doing it.
Christina Penn Martin, I love Sicily. You two are great.
Thank
you so much. Terry, be careful, Gianca. You don't want to get a Sicilian woman angry. I'm in a very, very risky position because she's hungry and hangry. So both are very bad situation, very bad elements. I'm risking myself. I know. Do you know Leonardo da Vinci? Guys. Len Nilsson, greeting from Ireland. Ciao! Say hello to all Irish people. From Sicily, a big, big kiss, a big hug to all Irish people.
So
I think-
far, this is a beautiful international family of Sicily
Let me say
lovers.
something. We have something in common. Not only the U2 rock band, I love U2 from Dublin. There is another important thing. You know, we have an important, not cloth, I do say accessory. I mean
The hat.
I mean the Sicilian hat is very similar to the Irish hat. So coppola is the typical, the traditional Sicilian hat. Very, very, very similar to the Irish one. We wanna give you an evidence in the next days. We are trying to export also the Sicilian
Of
coppola,
course.
the Sicilian
When
hat.
is the new website
Opening.
online? We think 1 month, we can say, more or less.
Perhaps less, but we are trying to do it as faster as possible. But it's not easy because there is a lot of work to do. My mother-in-law is from Dublin. La suocera.
A Soggia.
A suocera in Sicilian, mother-in-law. Guys, too much people. Manny Mancuso from Chicago. Oh, it's from Kakamo.
Kakamo, my hometown. We made a lot of live broadcasts from Kakamo.
And also
so-
from Trabbia. His father is from Trabbia. Trabbia and Kakamo are close.
Yes, 20 minutes.
Less. Trabbia.
If I drive, 20 minutes.
If you go
If you
walking.
drive less.
Guys, this is Rosella. It's incredible. If you walk, it's about 20 minutes, but driving is 5 minutes.
No, 5 minutes. 5 minutes Termini. Tra via and Termini. 5 minutes.
Kakamo is not so
With a shortcut, but if you have to take the long street, no.
Len was here in September. Oh, Carmelo Velardo, buon pomeriggio da New York. Ciao Carmelo! Say hello to all people in New York. Vitalba Ponte, buongiorno. Terence Sarco. Ciao amore, come from Lowellville, Ohio. Ciao Terence. We love Savoca. Savoca is another beautiful, picturesque, ancient villages in Sicily.
Very
A
famous.
medieval village. Now it's famous thanks to the Godfather trilogy, but it boasts beautiful things out of the movie, out of the Godfather. Beautiful landscape, beautiful people, beautiful, excellent food. And San Filippo wants pasta chirrizzi. Anthony. And say hello to Anthony, please. Dici che Upititto mi sta facendo acido.
Ma chi studia mia pasta che rizzo mi fa mangiare perché parla troppo, Anthony, che ma fare con chi?
Ma sono assai commenti. There are too many comments, and I want to read all the comments while I'm enjoying the sunlight. I'm kissed by the sun.
Now
so
it's the sunset.
the sunset, it's, wherever it is, but it's beautiful. So, Upititto mi sta facendo acido. You know, this is a very, very funny way to say I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I do say, my stomach is talking to me, and it's impossible to translate. It's a funny expression in Sicily, but it's difficult to translate. I love pasta, accent key. Ciao Marius from Poland. You remember Marius? Marius came to Sicily in August. It was a beautiful group. it was an exception. So actually, we didn't have last clients in February. After Alisa Spatafora, we had other clients in August because the borders from Poland to Sicily were opened at that time. So hello Marius, say hello to the entire group. Acts from Sicily. Terry Russo. Presbyopia is near sightness.
Sadness.
Sightness, yeah. Presbyopia. It's the same in Italian. I'm presbyte. I don't see close things.
Donna Naples, you are right. We are family.
Who's writing eat? It's just like do it, eat, please, do it. Oh, guys, how many comments? I go faster. Steven Spagnolo, Anthony Don again, Roseanne, Rene, Anthony Fennel. Oh, guys, it's incredible. Marianne. Is Marianne? Marianne! Mwah!
Marianne and Gian Rubino.
Ciao, ciao, guys. We love you. We love you. We miss you. Oh, guys, you are too much. Too many comments.
Roseanne, I was so happy to find out that I am 95% Sicilian.
By the way, I'm making arancini again today, thanks to you both. Don't talk about food, please. Now, from this point, I don't accept any comments related to food. Please help me. I'm really hungry now. So, Maureen Rikers, Trinagria is the same symbol there. I think this is another important thing to talk about. The Trinagria symbol, the triskele, the ancient three legs symbol of Sicily, is also in India, is also in Scotland. It's an ancient Celtic symbol, and perhaps it has a very, very ancient origin. You know.
Yeah.
I wanna end with this. The symbol of Sicily. Three legs. Three legs represent 3 points of Sicily. Sicily has a triangular shape, but as Maureen wrote, if you see these legs position, it reminds us a vertigo, a spiral. You know,
Yeah.
spiral means movement. Spiral means energy. So it's one of the oldest symbols ever, from the prehistoric, from the Neolithic age. Ancient people used to paint spirals. You know, galaxies are spirals, nebulas are spirals. It means the origin of life.
Yeah.
And so I want to end this Life Broken with this hope. I hope life, a happy life, will accompany you from now to the rest of your life. So never give up, guys. Never stop thinking about the positive things. Now I don't need the glasses. Life, it's impossible to stop life. Perhaps someone tries to do it. I don't want to say it. I don't want to talk about this. This is a beautiful community, but in our planet there are also bad people. They want to stop our lives, but they can do it. They cannot do it because lives will go ahead ever and ever.
Yeah.
Sorry for my English. So just like a spiral, spiral makes energy. We we all have to produce energy. We have to produce good vibes, good thoughts, good feelings. This is the only way to resist. This is just like a resistance. We have to go ahead, even if some people want to stop us. Right, Rosella?
Never give up! The power of Sicily Lovers community! Io direi che fai
Don't
di
care
nuovo...
about what they say. Don't care about what they say. Feel your heart. Feel your deep consciousness, your deep art, and believe on your dreams. Believe on your I don't know. Believe in yourself first of all.
Love,
And
gratitude.
yeah, love will rescue. Will rescue us.
Yeah.
We are in the same boat, in the same position. No matter if we are in Sicily or in America or in Canada or in Australia, we have to resist. We have to go ahead.
Yeah.
And you guys, you give us a lot of energy. So you are our spiral.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I wanna stop with the sun reflecting on
Fai un giro e poi
on
così
the
lo saluto.
on the sea. Now I have to. I'm trying to. I did it. I did it. So guys, for me it's all. I switch to Rosella. Rosella, vuoi dire qualcosa?
Cosa posso dire?
Cosa sai dire?
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily to you! Shine on, guys!